Hi, I'm Keith, founder and general manager of Tuck. The Sapira mattress is a hybrid offering from Leesa Sleep. How does it stack up against Tuck's rigorous testing? Keep watching to find out. Testing the mattress today, we have our lightweight sleeper Rachel, our average weight sleeper Jim, and our heavyweight sleeper Neil. Setting up the Sapira mattress is quite easy. We do recommend enlisting a helper because even though the mattress ships compressed, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unbox and unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Full recovery should happen within the first 5 to 6 hours. The Sapira is an 11-inch hybrid mattress. The cover is made from a polyester blend. The comfort layers consist of 1.5 inches of 3.65 PCF Avena foam on top of 1.5 inches of 4 PCF memory foam. Below that, you have the support core, which consists of 1 inch of 1.8 PCF polyfoam above 6 inches of 14.5 gauge individually pocketed coils above 1 inch of 1.8 PCF polyfoam. The feel of a mattress is largely determined by its firmness and construction. This tends to be fairly uniform across each mattress type. We've placed the Sapira at a 6.5 on the firmness scale, making it a medium firm mattress. The Sapira mattress has a best of both worlds feel in that it is both responsive and conforming due to its hybrid construction. In the mattress world, support is defined as spinal alignment. In this test, we'll be looking at how well each of our sleeper spines are kept in alignment when lying on their side. Our testing found the Sapira to offer very good support for average and heavyweight sleepers and slightly less so for lightweight sleepers. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion. This is important for those who sleep with a partner, so you don't feel their movements across the surface of the bed. We found the Sapira mattress can absorb and isolate motion transfer well, as shown by the water test Neil performed on the mattress. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support are harder to get in and out of and can leave sleepers with the feeling of roll-off, which is akin to the mattress ejecting the sleeper. Our testing found that the Sapira has solid edge support, so sleepers won't have any trouble sitting on or sleeping towards the edge of the bed. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increasing amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found the Sapira mattress provides very good pressure relief for average and heavyweight sleepers and slightly less so for lightweight sleepers. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. Our testing found the Sapira absorbs a minimal amount of body heat and sleeps cool as a result. Now, let's review how the Sapira stacked up in our mattress testing. This mattress offers good to very good support for all sleeper weights and very good motion isolation. The Sapira scored equally well in edge support, pressure relief, and temperature neutrality. If you prefer a more traditional memory foam feel, the Sapira may not be for you. If you're a lightweight sleeper, you may find the Sapira to be a bit too firm for your liking. We recommend this mattress for back sleepers, those that sleep closer to the edge, or anyone that prefers sleeping on versus in a mattress. If you're considering the Sapira, Leesa offers a 100-night sleep trial in which you can test the bed risk-free to ensure that it's the right fit. Additionally, the mattress ships free and comes with a 10-year warranty. For up-to-date pricing and discounts available exclusively for Tuck followers, check out the description below or visit the written review on tuck.com. That's it for this review. If you found this helpful, please give us a like or subscribe to our channel below. Visit tuck.com for the full written review and to continue your sleep search. If If you'd like a personalized recommendation from one of our team, comment below the video and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Sleep well.